Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Mario's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to set up a VPN application called the Big Boss VPN. So guys, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like the video, and let us continue. The first step, you're going to open Google Play Store, as you see, and then you're going to download this VPN application called Big Boss VPN. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. I'm going to show you guys in a step-by-step manner, beginner friendly. Even if you have never set it up any VPN application and it works, this tutorial is just right for you. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. In all countries, this VPN application is going to be working for you. Download, install, and then after open this VPN application. Keep in mind that this video or tutorial is purposely for research, informational, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow the local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this VPN application, and then after join their Telegram channel, and then check OK. Step by step. Let us go step by step later. This is what you're going to do first. You're going to first come right here down and then update the servers, and then choose the online update method. Wait for a few seconds. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe. So as we're waiting, you're going to come where we have auto select server, and then you're going to choose any of those 5 servers. Choose any server, but I do recommend my viewers always to keep in the auto select server. After doing that, you're going to come right here where you have all country, eSIM, and block. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Then after, you're going to come and then you're going to switch from recommended direct to all countries, because you're coming to all countries. But wait, if you're from Uganda, this is just for you. Connect to Uganda at 3 GB. If it is a virtual server, it will give you 15 to 20 MBs if you're not activated, but if you're activated, it will complete the 3 GB. Let us continue to all countries, and then we're going to come and then we're going to search. You're going to just help me and type in your country, like for example Zimbabwe. You can connect to Econet Zimbabwe. This Econet server, if you're in Zimbabwe, this one will be helpful for you. It will give you like 10 GB, but you can also search other countries. And then if you fail to do that and your country supports UDP, come and search UDP, and then we're going to, all of us, even if you are Ugandan, Zimbabwe, Kenyan, let us all gather right there. FR, I won't interpret what it means, but I will interpret what the UDP protocol means. We're going to connect to the UDP protocol all countries, and then choose that one. And after choosing that one, we're going to come where we have the start. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Accept or allow the VPN service, and then wait for a few seconds for this application to connect. In just a few seconds, this VPN application has already connected successfully, and it is one of the fastest VPN application now in town. As you see, in just 1 second, we are in 4 MBs. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.